Well, today we're going to start to clean up a big mess. Last fall we had a major blowdown and it was an awful mess. It would have been an interesting video how that all got that all down.
Except we weren't doing videos then.
No, because there are probably 4 or 5 different trees. The big one though, the red spruce, is what we're going to recover today. So I cut a log off him last fall. Today I'm going to clear a path so we can skid out that one, and I will be taking another log at least off of that
off the same tree.
Off the same tree. And then once we get those cleaned up and ready to move, we have more recent blowdowns down in here. Fair size fir, and you can't see it. It's behind the bushy top of that red spruce, but there's a white birch that's also down.
I like those for the fire because they burn nice.
Yes, you do. So we'll try and get them freed up and again get ready to skid, and then once we get this all fixed up and ready, we'll bring out the tractor and do the actual skidding. That should be enough.
think he's winning. He's hanging off a gully where there's a runoff.
Okay, so the strategy here is I'm going to take the end of the logging winch chain cable and hook it to the fur, and then take a slider, that's what they're called, which is a secondary hookup, over to the white birch. Because the fur should be bigger, it should first pull the white birch over out of where it is into a more open area when it can then come straight up the hill. That's the plan.
That's theory. Let's see how that works.
is not graceful.
It's a mess down in here.
Go!
Money mess. Okay, Michael's got them both hooked up. There's the fur. Probably can't see the chain running across there. And the birch. Let's see if it goes according to plan. In theory, this fir should go first. No, I'm wrong. Okay, the idea is pull the birch across first, which it's doing. Okay. And there they go together. Look at that. Okay, so he's going to have to move the tractor in order to get the other two. He's taking them out a different route. The area that he just cleared with the chainsaw is where the other two logs are coming out from. Got those two unhooked. Not sure where he's trying to shove them to. Not sure that was the plan. I'm guessing he wants them along the side of the road, so he needs a tractor back here to be able to go down to the other two logs.
Would have been easier to start with the right tool the first time.
Which would be a
pulp hook. Yeah. And the exercise is real good for you.
It doesn't give you a hernia. He wants me to stand right in this spot so he knows where to aim for in order to line the winch up with where he wants to pull the trees up. At some point along here, I think I'm going to need to move. Really want to lose my toes. Nice stance step. Out for that little pine tree, guys. Oh, I think they missed it. I hope so.
Well, it's been a great day out here in the woodlot. Beautiful day, sunny, warm, and thanks to you folks, 2 perfect skidding jobs. Probably has never happened to me before that everything went exactly, but I think the pressure of not looking like a complete idiot is what
Or maybe it's just that you're a little more careful
well,
when I'm
that's what I
watching.
mean.
Well,
don't act like normal.
Try and be sensible.
Pretend that you know what you're doing,
and be a little careful.
Yes. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining us. Please, if you like this, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, comment, like. Really like to hear from you. And stay safe.
Catch you next time, guys.